If the user or installation professional clicks on service, there is some good functionality within this area to configure and test for various communications. So you can test your PIM and if it can be found or not. Here, I'll turn mine on and then we'll go ahead and refresh. And now we are acquiring information, and that is another way to test the PIM functionality. It turned off because my battery's dead, so don't worry about that. Here we can also detect communication with the thermal printer. This will describe system information similar to what Ascent does in terms of the actual computer and operating system. Configure, here's where we can configure the AIM address. So the AIM address is on the back of the module with antennas. The PIM as well, and PIM channels can also be configured. Again, not a common area any users find themselves in though. Firmware updates for if or when that is ever needed. System updates, and then this area though is important when applying the tokens. The tokens are essentially the software options. So the ePDF option, the DICOM export option, will be associated with a token number and a serial number to be able to execute that and put that into the system. Test function is also an important area, but specifically for what I want to highlight right here, which is treadmill and ergometer. It can be tested in this area. It can be tested in multiple different ways via the software as well, but this is where you would allow the ability to actually test where things are talking and communicating. Again, not a common area where our users would find themselves, both internal and external. However, an area that could be useful given the situation.